Hey guys, it's Tia and Andy here.
And today we're bringing you our top 5 tips and tricks for Google Maps.
If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.
Let's go!
Alright, so tip number 1 is to download your maps offline onto your phone. This ensures that you have access to those maps even if you don't have Wi-Fi, wherever you are, anytime, any day. So to download your maps offline, go to your phone and open your Google Maps app. From there, go to the hamburger or the 3 lines in the top left-hand corner and open up the menu. On your menu, you'll see an option for offline maps, and when you click on this, you can then select your own map. Your screen will open with a big blue square, and you simply zoom in and out of the world map to find the destination that you want to download offline. Once you've got that destination within that blue square, click that download button and you're good to go. A quick tip with this though is once you're ready to leave for your vacation, make sure you do an update or a re-download of that map to make sure it's completely up to date.
So, having the map on your phone is great, but it's even more convenient when you can click a button and the phone will bring up your destination. So here's tip number 2, share links. In Google Maps, type in the address or long hold on the map itself to drop the location pin. From there, you can hit the share button to copy and add it to an itinerary or share it out with friends.
Alright, so tip number 3 is saving addresses to your favorites. Things like hotels or Airbnbs that you're going to need to access at some point in your trip are really fantastic to have pre-saved in your Google Maps app. Once you have the address typed in and searched on your Google Maps app, simply click the Save button to add it to your favorites list for quick access.
So Tia, we're considered adventurers.
I'd say so.
Okay, so what do we do when the location that we're going to doesn't have clearly defined addresses?
I don't know.
Plus codes, and that's tip number 4. Plus codes is a Google Maps only feature that acts like an address when one isn't available. It's made up of 6 to 7 letters or numbers plus the location that you're in. And like an address, you can pin it, save it, or copy it into your itinerary.
Lastly, tip number 5, walking directions. So as you may know, when you're using offline maps, you don't actually have the option to turn on walking directions, you only have your driving directions. But the great thing about Google Maps is with the driving directions, it also gives you a little blue dot that shows you where you are and where you're moving. So if you simply line up your little blue dot with the driving directions, or even just look at the map and walk towards your destination, you should still be able to make it there without any problems. With these 5 tips, you'll spend less time lost and more time exploring.
Do you have any more tips that we didn't cover here today? If you do, drop them in the comments below.